Welcome to the demo for ExpectCare Vault. ExpectCare Vault is an online solution that provides comprehensive vendor and contract organization, allows you to perform some due diligence on your vendors, as well as unlimited document storage. It is web-based, so there's no software or hardware to install. You simply come to www.expectcarevault.com and log in with your username and password. Once you log in, you will come to a listing of all your vendors, their addresses, support and sales contacts for those vendors. Any documents you'd like to store, again, it's unlimited document storage, and any contracts associated with those vendors. To navigate through the system, you have a toolbar up here at the top. Moving over to the Contracts tab, this is where you're going to track all your contract terms, who the vendor is, a description of the contract, the term, how long does the contract last, when it starts, when does it automatically renew, and then where's your money going, how much are you paying for this contract. So it's a good way to track all your vendor relationships, all the agreements you have with them, as well as store any important documents out there on the internet. It also serves as a great disaster recovery tool. So you know all your stuff is safe and secure regardless of what happens. Moving across the toolbar, we'll come over to the Risk tab. The Risk tab is where you can perform due diligence on your vendors. To start a risk assessment, you just click on one of your vendors' names, and it will bring you to 6 questionnaires where you can evaluate them. You can type notes related to that risk assessment, attach documents. There's a little audit trail down here, shows you when the last time you risk rated them and the score they received. Moving across this toolbar over to the Documents tab. The Documents tab will show you any document you have in the system and where it is attached. You can load vendor documents, contract documents, which are associated with the contracts, product documents would be something like a product warranty or something like that, and then risk documents would be something maybe like a SAS 70, something like that. Coming over to Reports, the reporting section allows you to print off reports for any information you have stored in the system, whether it has to deal with your vendors, your risk, due diligence part of the system, or your contracts. Moving over to the Administrator tab. The Administrator tab is where you're going to do pretty much everything else in the system, whether it's adding a new user to log in and make changes, or setting email notifications to come to yourself to let you know when certain documents are coming around for expiration or certain contracts are going to come up for renewal. You can set notifications to be directly emailed to you and let you know when it's time to take some action on something. You can add branches and departments to separate different contracts or documents to get more organized. You can track your monthly payables, let you know where your money's going, help you budget. And then you can also add custom fields to the system. If there's something you'd like to track concerning your vendors or your contracts that is not in ExpectCare Vault already, you can just simply add it and start tracking it that way. And then there is the dashboard, which pretty much summarizes everything you have in the system. Where do your risk composition lie? You can track your board of directors, contract renewals, top monthly costs. The dashboard is pretty much just a summary screen of everything that you have in the system. If you have any questions or would like more information on ExpectCare Vault, please give us a call at 205-933-2282. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.